Okay, Ripley. Oh, he's trying to see if there's... Hi, Ripley.
I think he's lost interest now, Cheryl.
Oh, here, let me get on this side. Hi. Hi. Where's those zippers? He goes, I want to see what that is.
No, that's not for you to eat. I think he's feeling camera shy.
Oh, no, he's got the hold of that zipper. Okay, up the zipper. And this is the first time he's done this.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe now down the zipper. Oh, now he's going for the main zipper. He's pulling it up all the way.
You think I'm cold?
Oh, now he's pulling down the zipper. He's going to pull that one back up.
I don't know. It's all the way down, honey. It's all the way down. No, don't pull it too hard. I don't want you to tear it. Thank you.
Carefully, your head. He goes, okay, now I'm going to pull it down. Because any other zippers in there? Oh,
there is another zipper in there, and he wanted to find it.
So he's never done this before.
No, he hasn't.
Oh, my God. Oh, now he found another zipper. He goes, I know there's a zipper on this side.
Oh, I love these zippers. No, silly. I don't have any treats right now.
He goes, all right, I'll work on this other zipper then. Oh, my goodness. Okay.
You're such a silly boy.